Good morning. My name is Shankar Bishwokarma. I am 30 years old. I am from Tanaung, Nepal. I am married. I have 9 members in my family. My education is 12 past. My height is 5.7 feet and my weight is 84 kg. I am medically fit and fine. I have 3 years of experience as a garbage disposal worker in Dubai, AJ Cleaning Company. Cleaning, sanitizing, loading and empty waste bins, sorting of garbage are my responsibilities. I want to come to Europe countries as a garbage disposal worker. I want to earn money, support my family, secure my future. I will stay there long time, 4 5 years. Also, I am hardworking and honest person. I can work in any weather, climate there, and outdoor work and manage. I can manage. I complete my agreement contract of 2 years, and I will follow the company rules and policies. Thank you.